So we're looking at the driver's side here. I hit this with the flat disc and I didn't find any rust. It's not the best of repairs, but I'm going to leave it because mainly here just trying to prevent any reoccurrence of rust. So it's not rusty there. I'm not really sure what they did. You can see they've done some welding, they've ground it down. It looks like they've hit it with a hammer to make sure that they could then put filler over the top. My brother-in-law's come and put some filler on top of there already. I don't know, it just doesn't look right in here to me. I can see that this inner piece is, you can see it's actually missing. Oh, it's hard to film in here. You can see what they've cut out, and because this bit's missing. It looks like they've just shoved a piece up here and then they've welded on top. Oh no, if it was my car I'd be cutting it all out and start again. But I've done a bit more here. I made this inner hole bigger because it was a bit rusty still here. I've made a template for this one, so I've got to replicate that in metal. I've made another template for this one. So replicate that in metal. I'll weld the inside first. We'll we'll put some phosphoric acid on this and give it a spray with zinc oxide primer. Before we put the top on. And I'll put this outside one on before I weld this bit up here where I went through, because I'll weld from the other side rather than try to weld and grind and fix it up. So the work continues.